how to remove and replace rounded text. Hello everyone. In my last video I've shown how to create this entire object, including adding this text and make them rounded and everything else. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually remove the text and replace it, or just remove it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the polygon mode, and I can select these polygons. I need to go in the advanced settings. In the advanced settings, the default would be the tolerance would be 0. If you go tolerance 0, we'll select everything that's a polygon, which is not going to make it easy. If I increase the tolerance, now I can start selecting bigger pieces. So for example, I can select the entire top thing over here. So I can technically just select these sections over here, start picking the text. But I have an easier way. So this can also work. You can just manually select each section of the text, but it's going to be a little bit tedious. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select just the top, and this depends how you set this and which angle you select. So in this case, I'm able to select the entire top as well, and you just have to play with this and see where you select. For example, I click now, it selects also the side as well. Actually not, okay, it depends where you click on, but in this case 5 is fine. Then I click on top, it selects just the top. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to inverse select. So it selects everything else except the top that I have selected. And now I'm turning on to wireframe mode. So this allows me to select front and back. It's called X-ray mode. Wireframe mode acts as an X-ray mode. In some software like Blender, I think they call it X-ray mode. And I'll hold down my control key, and control key holding down means it will be, instead of selecting, will be deselecting. And now I'm going to mark key select like this. So the X-ray mode meant that it selects not just the front, it will deselect the back also. So now if I turn back on the solid mode, you can see what I have over here. So I have basically selected everything except what I deselected, and I'm simply going to click delete. So it deleted everything else over here. And now I'm going to go to fill polygons and simply fill it. So we are closed, so the shape is closed. So that's basically how you remove it. If you want to add, you can watch the other video the way we did this one. It's just adding the text and how to add them, but in this case we just removed the other text, and that's basically how it's done. Okay, hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you want me to show anything else. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using SelfCAD. Have a great day. Bye.